Hey everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Milo. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to meet some very special creatures. In the heart of a sparkling coral reef lived a family of clownfish. Papa Nemo, Mama Nemo, and their little ones loved swirling between the colourful coral and playing hide and seek with the shy hermit crabs. One day, while exploring a new part of the reef, the Nemo family stumbled upon a sight that made their fins shiver. The vibrant coral that used to be their playground looked dull and lifeless. "What happened here?" squeaked one of the baby clownfish. Papa Nemo, his orange stripes a little paler with worry, explained. "This is the work of the Polytopus brothers," he said. "They dump their dirty waste into the water, making the coral sick." The baby clownfish looked around at the sad coral with big, worried eyes. "But what can we do?" they whimpered. Just then, a flash of light caught their attention. A group of tiny jellyfish, their bodies glowing a magical blue, swam towards them. "Don't worry, little sins," said the oldest jellyfish, her voice like tinkling bells. "We are the glowing guardians of the reef. We use our special light to help the coral heal." The Nemo family exchanged excited glances. Maybe there was hope after all. The glowing guardians explained their plan. They would use their light to slowly bring the coral back to life, but they needed help. "The coral needs clean water to get healthy again," explained another glowing jellyfish. "We need you to chase away the Polytopus brothers whenever they come near." The Nemo family, brave and determined, agreed to help. Every time they saw the Polytopus brothers approaching with their dirty barrels, the clownfish would dart around them, nipping at their tentacles and making funny faces. The Polytopus brothers, surprised and annoyed, ended up spilling their waste far away from the reef. Slowly, with the help of the glowing guardians and the Nemo family, the coral reef began to heal. Its colours grew brighter and new fish families started moving in. The reef was full of life again. The Nemo family learned that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. They continued to be the protectors of the reef, living happily alongside their glowing friends. Wow, that was a close call for the reef. Remember, everyone can be a hero for the environment, no matter how small. Let's all do our part to keep our oceans clean. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Until next time, keep on protecting our beautiful planet.